Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. Today we're doing the next video for Junk Journal July, which is travel, and we are going to be doing this one here on this page, the last page of our first signature. And my only idea for this one so far for travel is to use like a horse and carriage, because I'm tying in everything to Jane Austen for Jane Austen July as well. I gotta look through all of my stuff and see what I can find to tie it into the Regency. I'm thinking a horse and carriage. This is the postcard that I wanted to use, this image, and I don't really have any ideas. I don't feel very creative at the moment. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do other than like sticking it down, maybe just doing a collage page, maybe similar to yesterday's page, just something really simple. Maybe my first page, yeah, I could do something like that. Let me see what else I have. I'll look through everything, and if I see something nice, that's usually what gives me, you know, a bit of a push. If I look through my stuff and I see something that I find interesting, it usually gives me that little bit of excitement to do some journaling, to work on something. It's where I get my little creative spark. You know what I love? I got these textured papers. Really love them. I'm actually afraid to use them because I love them so much. I don't want them to like be gone. But all these lovely, lovely textures and shades of brown. Love shades of brown. Maybe I could use one of them. Maybe I shouldn't use them when I don't feel happy about creating, because maybe then I end up not liking how I used it. It's hard to know what to do on days like these. Like, should I just take a break and let myself reset? I don't think it needs anything like that, does it? Maybe I can find some other form of centerpiece for here. I actually really like this color and this texture on this paper. I don't think it actually really works here, just because this is so big. I love this. This is fabulous. No, I don't think that's right either. Maybe I'm gonna have one of those days where I think everything is wrong. This would actually be so good for when I get to the cursive prompt. I don't like my own handwriting and I can't really write cursive. I'll probably do something like that when I get to that one. Oh, music. Music sheets are great for Jane Austen. I think what I'll do is go away and come back again. I'll go watch some YouTube videos and see what everyone else is doing, and then I might even come back to this tomorrow, because I'm filming a bit ahead of the days and I'm just getting the videos out for the prompt day. So I have a bit of time to allow days like this. So I think that's what I'll do. I'm going to go away and come back again with fresh eyes and a fresh mind. So I went rooting through this box of random stuff that I have, and I found all these things about hot air balloons, which would be so good for travel, but I'm not sure then how I'm going to work in what I want with Regency. I do really want to use this postcard, but then I really want to use the hot air balloon. That's a load of cat hair, ignore that. That noise again is my cat playing with one of her toys. So yeah, I really want to use the hot air balloon. I have this great envelope that I could use. Maybe I could do something like that. From here, I've got that big curve in the page now, and the postcard could be inside this. That might work. Put our Jane Austen stuff inside the envelope, and then I can make the page a little hot air balloon page. We're not going to go in with any 3D elements today, I don't think, unless it, you know, I take an ocean while I'm going. Let's go with this, and maybe we'll add in some various elements like that. Random ephemera, get little maps there or something. I do quite like this nighttime one with the hot air balloon going over all the clouds. I think I will put that in like that. I'll stick it down with washi tape so that it flips. So I think I will ink some edges, and I'm just going to start sticking things down. I really wanted to use more of the envelopes and stuff from that kit from Chapter 1 papers as well. So they're just so pretty, and I think they would go with the theming for this so well, but I can't always work out how to get them in with the prompts. I'll see if I can just put something in on today's one. Like, I love these pages. They are so nice, and I'm really in love with the envelopes, and I wish I could come up with more ways to use them. Okay, let's just go. Let's just do this. Okay, so this is what I have ended up with for today's travel, or today's prompt, which is travel. So we have this little envelope flip here and the hot air balloons, and I managed to get in one of the lovely images from the Chapter 1 papers kit, and then inside our envelope we have our Jane Austen postcard, and a postcard suits the whole travel thing as well. I'm feeling okay with it. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm happy I got to use the hot air balloon ones because I quite like them. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one, which will be bags, which I already have something for.